The theory that we use in this design is the Faraday's law of induction, which is used in the dynamo and the DC motor. And the second theory is the photoelectrical effect, which is used in the solar panel. So this is our design. We call it as green energy fan. The purpose of this design is to reduce the consumption of energy, as fan is an frequently usage electrical appliances. This green energy fan is divided into three main parts. The first part is the solar panel, and the second part is the battery, and the third part is the portable fan. So now I will explain about the flowing of energy in the fan design. At day, the solar panel will receive the light energy and it will store it in the solar panel. Then the energy will be transmitted into two directions. One is to the DC motor, one is to the battery. So 50% of the energy will be transmitted to the DC motor and 50% of the energy will be transmitted to the battery. Since the fan blade and the gear is at the same axis as the DC motor, so when the DC motor rotates, the fan blade and the gear also will be rotated. At night, the solar panel will be replaced by the battery. The battery will be supply 50% of the energy to the DC motor and cause the DC motor to be rotate. Once the DC motor has been rotated, the lower part of the gear and the upper part of the gear will be rotated, and this will cause the dynamo to be rotated too. And once the dynamo rotates, 50% of the energy will be generated and will be supplied back to the DC motor to recover back the consumption of the energy by the rotation of the gear. And 50% of the energy will be supplied back and will be stored back to the battery. So now we will discuss about the specification of the solar panel. The solar panel will collect the sunlight and convert the light energy from photon to electrical energy. The electrical energy stored in the battery will be supplied to DC motor voltage battery used as a store battery because this battery is designed to charge and discharge at the same time. The next specification is the battery. The battery used is the DC voltage battery as it can be charged and discharged at the same time. So this is the gear that we are designing in the internal part of the portable fan. One consists of 36T and one consists of 18T for increasing the angular velocity of the dynamo. And this is the formula that shows the angular velocity relates to the number of T. We also have a special modification on our fan blade design, as the fan blade consists of 4 blades because this will have a higher efficiency and stability than the 3 or 2 blade, and also it has less rotor vibrations. And then this is where the DC motor and the dynamo function. The voltage battery will connect to the DC motor and supply the energy to it. The DC motor will spin the dynamo when it's self-spinning with 2 gears. At the same time, 50% of the electrical energy generated stored in the voltage battery, and 50% of the energy supply as output to spinning the fan blade.